I'm Lyric, and usually my hair looks like this, but what did I do? I changed it! Keep in mind it's usually like 4B, 4C, so this was a feat. So I didn't feel like re-showering, re-detangling like everything, so I basically just combed out what was already done. In the process, I was feeling like a cutie. Hair. Now that I'm looking like I dated the moon, we're gonna start sectioning. Now you're gonna take those sections and you're gonna twist them to the very last strand, and then you're gonna twist them in the Bantu knot. Now you're gonna sit and wait to be compared to Kodak, and the next morning you just take them out. I realize that I look like I'm extremely heavy-handed, but that's just how my hair works. So please do not just rip that shit out of your head. Do not go ham. Just separate it, just floof it, just pick it out, you know? Do not comb all the way through your hair or the curls will be lost. That's the entire point of having such defined curls. After you're done reversing your genetic code, just go on ahead and have a nice day.
So I think it came out pretty nice. I think the curls are super tight, and I don't like my curls tight, but it doesn't look bad. I think it looks nice. So I think I actually would look nice with short hair, but I don't know. This side is has more defined curls. Let's see if I can find one. Like these here. See how bouncy they are? And this side is more puffy curly, if that makes sense. But yeah, so this was a lot of fun to do, and I think it was not a complete fail. I think I did pretty good, so. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this content, and leave me a comment down below if you would like to see me try any other type of style. If you think I did a good job, leave me the emoji like this in the comments. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.